Hello guys, today we will do write a recursive function to print numbers from n to 1. The input is 5, the output should be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we create a method that is rec and a parameter that is int n. If n is equal to 0, then return the method. Then System.out.println n rec n minus 1. Okay, so we need to find the numbers from n to 1. N is 5, so we need to find 5. Okay, 5 is equal to 0? No, so it will come to this statement, System.out.println 5. So here the 5 will be printed. Rec n minus 1, that is rec 4. So rec 4 will be called, so here it will be rec 4. Okay, when rec 4 will be called, 4 is equal to 0? No, so it will go to this statement, System.out.println 4. So here it will print 4. Now rec 4 minus 1, that is rec 3. Now rec 3 will be called. 3 is equal to 0? No, so it will go to this statement. So this will print the 3. Now rec 3 minus 1, that is rec 2. Now rec 2 method will be called. 2 is equal to 0? No, so it will go to this statement, System.out.println 2. So here 2 will be printed. Now rec 2 minus 1, that is rec 1. So now the rec 1 will be called. Now 1 is equal to 0? No, so it will go to this statement. Now it will print 1. Now rec of 1 minus 1, that is rec of 0. Now the rec of 0 will be called. Okay, when the rec of 0 will be called, so n is 0. So 0 is equal to 0? Yes. So it will return the method. It will return the previous method, that is rec 0 only. So it will basically stop, okay, calling the method again. So the final output will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is how we write a recursive function to print numbers from n to 1. So I will write whole program in Java in the description below. Thank you.